Well, today I'm cooking a 7.5 pound brisket in my uh, Pit Boss Ultimate Memphis grill, 4-in-1, and started at 6:30 this morning. The meat didn't have time really to uh, make it into room temperature, but we went ahead and put the meat in. The meat is 59 degrees. It's been cooking now for 25 minutes, so we're probably looking at about 7-8 hours. As you can see, the temperature of the meat is going up, but here's the grill. And as you can see, the bright red light underneath, that is the elements heating up. And I cut up this morning some wood from the peach tree that I pretty much put a couple pieces in, and then I fill in with the mesquite, smaller wood. So this is what it looks like. Smoking pretty good with the fat side up. And then I preheat it. It took about 25-30 minutes, but I preheat it to 225, and then I stuck the meat in. So we'll see how it goes. And this is about the third time I've cooked brisket on this. It does a really great job. Okay, to be continued.